Hi, Owen. Welcome back to English Conversations Made Easy. Today, we're going to learn something fundamental, how to ask someone's name in English and how to introduce yourself naturally.
Hi, Grace. This is perfect because I always feel awkward when I forget someone's name or need to ask for it again.
You're not alone. Even native speakers struggle with this. Names are so important. They're a core part of someone's identity. Today, we'll learn polite, natural ways to ask for names, introduce yourself, and handle those awkward moments.
Great. I need help with this.
Perfect. Let's start with the basics. The simplest way to ask someone's name is, "What's your name?" This is clear, simple, and polite in most casual situations.
That's what I learned in textbooks.
Exactly. But native speakers often use variations that sound more natural depending on context. Here are the most common ways. "What's your name?" for casual situations. "May I ask your name?" for slightly more formal contexts. And "What do you go by?" which is very casual and acknowledges people might use nicknames.
What do you go by? That's interesting.
Yes, go by means what name you use. Someone named Jennifer might go by Jen. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. What's your name?
What's your name?
Good. In casual speech, this sounds like "What's your name?" with "your" reduced. Try it.
What's your name?
Perfect. Now, here's something culturally important. In English-speaking cultures, you typically introduce yourself before asking someone's name. This feels more balanced and less like an interrogation.
Oh, so I should say my name first?
Usually, yes. Instead of just asking, "What's your name?" say, "Hi, I'm Owen. What's your name?" This is much warmer and more natural.
That makes sense.
Let's practice. Imagine we just met at a coffee shop.
Hi, I'm Owen. What's your name?
Hi, Owen. I'm Grace. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. That's the standard formula. Now, there's an even more casual variation. "And you are?" with rising intonation. Let me show you. "Hi, I'm Grace. And you are?"
Oh, I'm Owen.
See? Very natural. You can also extend your hand for a handshake while saying this. Now let's talk about different contexts. At parties or social events, you can walk up to someone and say, "Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Owen."
I don't think we've met. I'm Owen.
Perfect. They'll naturally respond with their name. Let's try a party scenario. I'll start.
Okay.
Hey, this is a great party, right? I'm Grace, by the way.
Yeah, it's fun. I'm Owen. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How do you know the host?
I work with him. How about you?
Excellent. See how you moved from introductions to small talk, first names, then "nice to meet you," then context questions. That's the natural flow.
It felt smooth.
Now let's talk about professional situations, networking events, conferences, business meetings. In professional contexts, use your full name. "Hello, I'm Owen Chen. I work in software development."
Full name plus my role?
Yes, this gives context about who you are professionally. Let's practice a business conference scenario.
Hello, I'm Owen Chen. I work in software development.
Hello, Owen. I'm Grace Martinez. I'm in digital marketing. Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Excellent. Notice pleasure is more formal than "nice to meet you." Both work, but pleasure sounds more professional. Now, if someone doesn't introduce themselves clearly, you can say, "I didn't catch your name," or "I'm sorry, I didn't get your name."
I didn't catch your name. What does catch mean?
Great question. Catch means hear or understand. This phrase is polite because it implies the problem was your hearing, not their fault.
That's clever.
Exactly. Let's practice. Someone introduced themselves quickly and you didn't hear.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name.
"Oh, sorry. Grace. Grace Martinez."
Nice to meet you, Grace.
Perfect. You used my name immediately. That helps you remember it. Repetition is key. Now, what if you chat with someone but never exchanged names? You can say, "By the way, I didn't catch your name earlier," or "I'm terrible with names. What was yours again?"
I'm terrible with names. Can I really say that?
Yes, it's self-deprecating humor. Most people relate because everyone forgets names. It makes the situation less awkward.
I like that.
Let's practice. We've been talking and you realize you don't know my name.
Oh, by the way, I don't think I caught your name.
Oh, I'm Grace. And you are?
I'm Owen. Sorry about that.
No worries. See? Not awkward. Now, the really awkward situation. When you've met someone before but forgot their name.
Oh no, that's the worst.
It happens. Option 1. Be honest. I'm so sorry, I've forgotten your name. Could you remind me? Option 2. Reintroduce yourself. Hi, I'm Owen. We met at the conference, right? This often prompts them to say their name. Option 3. If you're with someone else, introduce them and let the two introduce themselves to each other.
These are great strategies.
Honesty is usually best. Let's practice. We met 3 months ago.
Hi, I'm sorry. I remember meeting you, but I've completely forgotten your name.
Hey, no worries. It's Grace. Owen, right?
Yes, good to see you again, Grace.
Perfect. Now, pronunciation challenges. If someone says a name you can't pronounce, ask. Say, I want to make sure I pronounce your name correctly. Could you say it again?
People won't be offended?
Most people appreciate that you care. Mispronouncing repeatedly is worse than asking once. You can also ask them to spell it. Let's practice. Hi, I'm Shiaban.
Hi, I want to make sure I say your name right. Could you repeat that?
Sure, Shiavan, pronounced Shivan.
Siobhan. Nice to meet you, Siobhan.
Excellent. Now let's talk about memory techniques, because remembering names is challenging. Technique 1, repetition. Use the name immediately and once or twice during conversation. Technique 2, association. Connect the name to something memorable. If Grace has a graceful walk, link those. Technique 3, visualization. Picture the name written on their forehead.
Create mental links.
Exactly. Now, body language matters too. When introducing yourself, make eye contact, smile genuinely, offer a handshake if appropriate, and turn your body toward the person. This shows engagement and confidence.
Eye contact, smile, handshake.
Yes, let's practice the full introduction with everything. Stand up if you can.
Okay.
Hi, extends hand, I'm Grace.
Shakes hand. Hi, Grace. I'm Owen. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now let's talk about some special situations. What about group introductions? When you meet multiple people, repeat each name. Hi, Anna. Hi, Ben. Hi, Carlos. I'm Owen.
Should I shake hands with everyone?
If possible, yes, it helps memory. And don't be embarrassed to ask again later. After group introductions, people expect you might not remember everyone.
That's reassuring.
Let me introduce you to a group. Owen, these are my friends, Jessica, Mark, and Lynn.
Hi, Jessica. Hi, Mark. Hi, Lynn. I'm Owen. Great to meet you all.
Excellent. You acknowledged each person individually. Now, what about professional settings with titles? If meeting a professor or doctor, use their title until they say otherwise. Hello, I'm Owen Chen. Are you Professor Martinez?
Should I wait for them to tell me what to call them?
Yes, they might say, call me Grace, or Dr. Martinez is fine. Follow their lead. If unsure, ask, how should I address you?
Let's practice.
Sure.
Hello, I'm Owen Chen. I'm in your English 101 class. How should I address you?
Welcome, Owen. You can call me Professor Martinez.
Thank you, Professor Martinez. I'm looking forward to the class.
Perfect. Now, virtual meetings. In video calls, always introduce yourself verbally, even if your name is on screen. Hi, everyone. I'm Owen Chen from the marketing team.
Should I say my name even if it's displayed?
Yes, not everyone can see names clearly. Always verbally introduce yourself in virtual meetings.
Makes sense.
Now let's discuss common mistakes. Mistake 1, not introducing yourself before asking for their name. Mistake 2, not using the person's name after they tell you. Mistake 3, being too formal in casual settings or too casual in formal ones.
Context matters.
Exactly. Mistake 4, not asking for clarification when you don't understand. Mistake 5, using the same introduction every time. Vary it. I'm Owen, or my name's Owen, or Owen here.
Mix it up.
Yes. Now let's practice rapid-fire scenarios. Ready?
Ready.
Casual house party.
Hey, I'm Owen. What's your name?
Professional networking event.
Hello, I'm Owen Chen. I work in software development.
You forgot someone's name.
I'm sorry, I've forgotten your name. Could you remind me?
Someone has a difficult name to pronounce.
I want to make sure I say your name correctly. Could you repeat that?
Perfect. You adapted to each situation beautifully. Now, cultural awareness. In English-speaking cultures, especially America, first names are used quickly, even professionally. If someone says, "Call me Grace," use their first name.
Even in work settings?
Often, yes. Americans value informality. But if you're more comfortable with titles, continue using them. Now, one more thing about names. If your name is difficult for English speakers, you can patiently teach them, offer a simplified version, or use an English name if comfortable.
I prefer keeping my real name.
That's completely valid. If someone mispronounces, politely correct. It's actually pronounced correct way.
People will try to get it right.
Most well. Now, about follow-up. After learning someone's name, use it occasionally in conversation. Not every sentence, that's weird, but once or twice. In professional contexts, get contact info. Grace, it was great talking. Can we exchange business cards?
What if I don't have cards?
Say, can I get your email, or what's the best way to reach you? Then follow up later. Hi, Grace. Great meeting you at the conference. Let's stay in touch.
That's good networking.
It is. Now, let me give you homework. This week, introduce yourself to one new person. Use the scripts we learned. Introduce yourself first, ask their name, use their name in conversation, and practice memory techniques.
Just one person?
Just one, but do it intentionally. Also, watch English TV shows and notice how characters introduce themselves. The Office or Friends have great examples.
I love learning from shows.
It's excellent practice. Finally, practice in front of a mirror. Say, "Hi, I'm Owen," with different tones. Confident, friendly, professional, casual.
Mirror practice really helps.
It does. Now, let's recap the key points. First, introduce yourself before asking for their name. Say, "Hi, I'm Owen. What's your name?"
Introduce myself first.
Second, use their name immediately after they tell you. This helps memory and shows you're listening.
Use their name right away.
Third, don't be afraid to ask for clarification. "I didn't catch your name" is polite and respectful.
Ask when I need to.
Fourth, match formality to the situation. Casual at parties, professional at business events, respectful with authority figures.
Read the context.
Fifth, if you forget someone's name, be honest. People appreciate honesty over pretending.
Be honest about forgetting.
Sixth, practice pronunciation and ask others to correct you if needed. Getting names right shows respect.
Get pronunciation right.
And finally, use memory techniques, repetition, association, visualization, to remember names better.
Use memory tricks.
Perfect summary. Remember, introducing yourself and asking for names is a social gift. You're making connection possible. Be confident, warm, and yourself.
Be confident and genuine.
Exactly. And remember, every native speaker was once nervous about introductions. It's a learned skill. You're learning it right now, and with practice, it'll become natural.
That's encouraging.
Now, one final comprehensive practice. We're at a professional conference. Show me your best introduction.
Okay. Walks up. Hi, I'm Owen Chen. I work in software development. I don't think we've met before.
Hi, Owen. I'm Grace Martinez. I'm in digital marketing. Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too, Grace. Are you enjoying the conference?
I am. The sessions have been great. Which ones are you attending?
Probably the AI application session this afternoon.
Oh, me too. Maybe we'll see each other there.
That would be great. Grace, could I get your business card?
Of course. Exchanges cards. Let's stay in touch.
Perfect. Great meeting you, Grace.
You too, Owen. See you this afternoon. Excellent! That was a perfect professional introduction. You introduced yourself with context, used my name naturally, found common ground, and exchanged contact information.
That felt really natural.
It should. You've practiced all the components. This is exactly how native speakers network and build relationships.
I feel much more confident now.
Wonderful. Remember, introducing yourself is fundamentally an act of respect and interest. You're saying, you matter enough that I want to know what to call you. That's beautiful in any language.
I never thought about it that way.
Names are powerful. They're the cornerstone of human connection. When you learn and use someone's name, you're acknowledging their humanity. That's a gift.
Thank you, Grace. This was incredibly helpful.
You're welcome, Owen. And to all our listeners, thank you for joining English Conversations Made Easy. Remember, every person you meet started as a stranger whose name you didn't know. All it takes is, "Hi, I'm Owen," to turn a stranger into a connection.
Beautiful way to end.
Now go out there and meet someone new this week. Introduce yourself with confidence. Ask their name with genuine interest. And remember, you've got this.
You've got this. Thanks, Grace.
Thank you, Owen. See you next time, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.